We are here in Jaywick and my friend Dan is called Fisherman Dan. But today Danny's in a speedboat. Danny's showing us what can be done in a speedboat. Danny's a very, very good friend. Dan the fisherman is showing us how you can have great fun in Jaywick. Yes, you get a boat and you have fun in all this beautiful sea we have here. It's about making the most out of every single day and every single night. And Dan is making the very most out of Jaywick. Whizzing around in his boat, shine on it and enjoy the views of Jaywick. I love you all, shine on everybody. Look at that. Thank you everybody, my love to you all, and let's all have a wonderful day together, and let's all wish each other well, and let's all make the most of today. And we're all the same people, we're all in the same world. There's no need to discriminate against ourselves. We are all beautiful people. You are beautiful, I am beautiful. Can we please keep life beautiful, and can we please cheer each other up? If you've got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing. But if you've got something nice to say, then say it proud, say it loud, and say it with a smile on your face. That's the things I want to hear today. I want to hear lovely things said today. All right? Shine on everybody. Welcome to the Bay of Jaywick. Shine on.